Minimal fashion is all about simplicity, but sometimes it can feel a little plain. If you've ever felt like your outfits look too basic or missing something, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing simple styling tips to make minimal outfits look chic, elevated, and anything but boring. A minimal outfit doesn't have to mean basic shapes. Try mixing oversized and fitted pieces for contrast. For example, pair a structured blazer with slim trousers or an oversized sweater with straight-leg jeans. This balance creates effortless elegance. Neutral tones keep outfits timeless, but texture makes them interesting. Think ribbed knits, linen, or leather mixed with soft cotton. Layering different fabrics in the same color family adds depth without making the outfit look busy. Minimal style doesn't mean skipping accessories. A structured bag, simple gold jewelry, or even a belt can add polish. The key is to keep it understated. One or two statement accessories can make an outfit feel intentional, not overdone. Shoes can completely change the feel of a minimal outfit. Swap sneakers for loafers, ballet flats, or sleek ankle boots to add a more polished touch. Even a simple outfit like jeans and a white shirt can look instantly chic with the right footwear. One of the easiest ways to make a minimal outfit look intentional is by going monochrome. Wearing different shades of the same color, like beige, cream, or gray, creates a polished and cohesive look. To keep it interesting, play with textures like a wool coat over a ribbed knit dress or linen trousers with a cotton top. A well-fitting outfit can make all the difference. Even the most basic pieces, like a white shirt and black trousers, can look effortlessly chic if they're properly tailored. Invest in pieces that fit your body well, or take simple items like blazers and trousers to a tailor for a perfect fit. Clean lines and sharp silhouettes instantly elevate a minimal wardrobe. A great way to keep minimal outfits from feeling too plain is by balancing casual and dressy elements. Try pairing a structured blazer with relaxed jeans, a crisp button-up with wide-leg trousers, or sleek ballet flats with a casual sweater. This contrast creates an effortlessly put-together look without feeling overdone. Minimal fashion should feel effortless, not boring. By mixing silhouettes, adding texture, elevating with accessories, and choosing the right shoes, your outfits will always look chic and intentional. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you love timeless, minimal fashion, don't forget to subscribe for more.